to more and more clarified, explain it again and again. So, according to the translation, just a translator, we must know. Okay. This is Sankhaseti means explain. Pakaseti is a display. Like that. Yeah. Exhibit. Yeah. Described. These are synonymous terms, all are synonymous terms. Clarify more and more explanation. So only words are different. Only word are different. Because of Sanghasana means explain in brief. Pakasana means many with the many aspects. Vivarana means make it open, or openly explain. Vibhajanas are classified. Uttanikaranas are make clear, making clear. Panyati means make others know. Literally, we must know in this way. But all are explanations. It's okay. All are explanation. Explanation. Literally, we must say Sanghasana, Pakasana, Vivarana. Vivarana means open. Open. Vibhajana means classify, analyze. Uttani Kama means making clear, clarified. Panyati means making others know. Panyati. So, okay. This is a way of explanation. Reverend, you get it? Ankusa? Ankusa is briefly talk. Ankusa is nothing to do with the Ankusa. What is mentioned, call it using this hook. Okay. Now, it is finished, but not enough. Must study more and more. But some words to translate is very difficult. Literally, we must know. Very, very difficult to translate it into English. So, and the whole test, if I brief, to understand the meaning, clarification or to understand the meaning. Actually, what we understand, we must put into practice. It is important. But without the understanding, without the knowledge, we cannot practice. So understanding also important. Learning is a starting point, but it is very important for practice. Without the learning, there's a lot of points can be mistaken. Therefore, learning, understanding is important. It's good. So, let us meet in next November.